Our first question comes here and states, will my alerts change if I change my strategy settings on TradingView charts? So you have to, this is something that I made the mistake of. When you create your alerts on TradingView creates a copy of your script on the conditions on the server so that it could run on the cloud. And so if you make changes to your indicators or your strategies after, you have to delete the existing alerts and create new ones. Have you ever fallen into that trap, Mike?
I have. There's another way around it too. You don't necessarily have to delete the alert. What you'll notice is that if you open your existing alert, you'll see two versions of your script in the dropdown for the alert source. Right. So the one that's selected is the old version that TradingView copied. And if you go down the list, you'll see your script again, your strategy again. And if you select that one, that's the updated version of it. So what I do is
No
I
way.
rotate
I did not
my
even know
alerts
that.
by selecting the other one.
So even if you're not saying it's shown it twice in the input source because it's twice on the chart, you're saying that it recognized that the old one is the cloud version.
That's right.
Hey, that's way easier. Okay,
Yep.
perfect. I'll do that.
Yep.
I've had alerts just linger around and then it triggers. I was like, wait, I wasn't trying to enter that crypto trade. No, turns out
My strategy's not even on the chart anymore.
exactly.